Hey guys, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning how we can make an online quiz using the Google form in our Windows 10 or Windows 11 devices. Okay, so let's get into it. And the very first thing we need to do is to go to our Google Chrome browser. So please open your Google Chrome, and in the search tab please type Google Forms and then hit enter, and you will see here in the first search result, it's from docs.google.com. So please click on that Google Form sign in and just sign in your account, Gmail account. And once you're already signed in your Gmail account, you will see here the options under start a new form. We have the blank form, contact information. So here we need to click on the template gallery and we will look for the blank quiz under education. So here please click on the blank quiz and just wait for this to load. And once you do that, you will see here the blank quiz option. So here you can make a title for the quiz that you want. For example, this is a math quiz. So please just type here math quiz. And you can also make it bold. You can also italize it, you can underline it, or you can insert a link. And you can also give a description with your quiz. Okay, so here all you need to do is just click on the untitled question here to add for a question. For example, you want to type a question: real what is the definition of real numbers? And then once you're done typing for the question, you can now choose for the option 1, or you can add the first option. You can give the definition by stating in here, for example. And if you want to add another option, you can click on the another option. And if you want, for example, 3 to 4 options, you can do that just by clicking this add another option here. Okay, so once you do that, you can also give the answer key of the question here. For example, the correct answer is letter D. So you can select letter D, and then you can give also points for each correct answer. For example, when the user get the correct answer, what is the corresponding point of the correct answer? And then once you're done with this one, you can now click on done. And you can also click on this required here, and you can also add some question just by clicking this one and just input your question here. And you can also add some options like this one. You can also add another option and add another answer key, and then go give some points to it. For example, this correct answer is equal to 2 points. So after doing that, you can now click on done. And after doing that, we will proceed with the responses tab. So here you can click on the link to sheets. You can select destination for responses, get email notifications for new responses. You can also do select that. And for this one, you can also make this required. And for the settings, make this a quiz, assign point value, set answers, and automatically provide feedback. So for the releasing of the grades or the results of the test, you can also choose immediately after each submission. So whenever the user is finished answering, they will know directly or immediately their scores. Or you can also choose later after manual review, turn on responses, collect email addresses, and you can also set for the respondent settings here, missed questions. They will see the missed questions that they have, the correct answers, the point values, or you can also hide the correct answers. And If you're done setting the settings here, you can click on publish, and you can choose the responders. For example, you want to manage it. You can share blank quiz with the you can add here the people, the groups, and calendar events, or you can also give general access. For example, here the editor view, responder view, and then once you're done here, you can now click on the done button here, and then you can now publish this one. And you can also copy the link here just by clicking this copy responder link. You can shorten the URL and you can copy, and here you can access the Google form just by pasting the link, just like this one. Okay, so just like that one. So I hope you learned something from this video. If you did, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I see you in the next one. Bye bye.